Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Ledger for crypto. First, understand that a Ledger device is a hardware wallet designed to keep your cryptocurrency safe by storing your private keys offline. This method, often called cold storage, significantly reduces the risk of theft from online attacks. It acts as a secure vault, ensuring that only you can access and manage your digital assets. This foundational security is why many choose Ledger for their crypto holdings. Setting up your Ledger is a straightforward process. Begin by powering on your device and following the on-screen instructions to choose a strong PIN code. Next, you'll be given a 24-word recovery phrase. Write this down precisely and store it in a very secure private location. This phrase is your ultimate backup. Finally, download and install the Ledger Live application, which is your gateway to managing your crypto. With your Ledger device connected and Ledger Live open, you can now manage your crypto. Install the specific cryptocurrency applications you need directly onto your Ledger device through Ledger Live. This allows you to send and receive different digital assets with confidence, knowing your private keys remain secure on the hardware. Ledger Live also provides a clear overview of your portfolio and a detailed transaction history. Beyond basic transactions, Ledger Live offers advanced features like staking certain cryptocurrencies to earn rewards and interacting with decentralized finance, or DeFi, applications. Always double-check all transaction details on your Ledger device's screen before confirming, as this is a critical security step. For more great deals and to check out those darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, make sure to look at the links in the description below. Staying secure and comfortable is key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.